Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage financial audits with AuditBoard step by step clearly. Begin by familiarizing yourself with AuditBoard's platform interface. Log in to your AuditBoard account using your credentials. Navigate to the Audit Management section on the dashboard. Select the Financial Audit option to create a new audit project. Click on the Create New Audit button to start setting up your audit. Fill in the required fields, including audit name, objective, and scope. Assign team members to the audit by selecting their names from the list. Set the audit's timeline by specifying start and end dates. Utilize the checklist feature to outline key audit procedures and tasks. Attach relevant documents and evidence required for the audit. Schedule planning meetings using the integrated calendar tool. Conduct preliminary interviews with stakeholders to gather insights. Utilize the risk assessment module to identify potential financial risks. Document findings in real time as the audit progresses. Set milestones to track the completion of different audit phases. Review and analyze the data collected for any discrepancies. Prepare the first draft of the audit report outlining your findings. Share the draft with your team for feedback and suggestions. Incorporate feedback and finalize the audit report. Present the completed report to relevant stakeholders for approval. Store the final audit report within the platform for future reference. Utilize the reporting tools to generate summary statistics and visualizations. Schedule a post-audit review meeting to discuss outcomes and insights. Capture any lessons learned for improving future audits. Ensure to regularly update the audit log for ongoing transparency. Wrap up by following up on any action items identified during the audit review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.